Grader projects in MyLab let you work on tasks and practice your skills directly in Microsoft Office apps. If your instructor has assigned a Grader project, you'll find it in the Assignments tab. The title of the project is decided by your instructor. Select the project title to open more details. First, let's start with step number 1 and choose Download Materials. You'll have the option to download materials one by one, or you can select Download All Files to download the entire project all at once. Locate the downloaded files on your device. The best file to open first is the instructions document. The instructions doc will provide a project description, a list of steps to complete, and in what order you should complete them. It'll also tell you where to find the project in your Pearson textbook. Use the downloaded materials to work through each step in the project. Once you've completed all the steps, save your work and head back over to your MyLab course. It's time to upload your completed file for grading. Under step number 3, select Upload File and Submit for grading. Select and open your project file, and then select Upload. MyLab will automatically grade your submission. Select Continue to close the project. To see your grade and to review your submission, select the Results tab and locate the Grader project in the list of results to see your grade. Select Review to view a detailed report of your submission. The red areas indicate where you lost points. You can select the drop-down arrows to view info on why points were deducted for that step. Available in most Grader projects, the Live Comments report will download your submission and will include helpful comments pointing out exactly where in your submission you lost points and why. If your instructor allows multiple submissions for a Grader project, you don't need to re-download the materials and start over for each submission. You can simply make corrections to your latest submission and resubmit your project for a new grade. For more information on Grader projects, check out the help page linked in the description.